Thank you very much, Alfred. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for gracing our lunch. And allow me to express once more what a delightful privilege it has been to receive and host you and your entire delegation, Your Excellency, in the city of Nairobi. It is my wish that you have enjoyed your stay and that our hospitality, the charm of our country, beauty of its attractions, and the warmth in the hearts of our people have all done credit to our national heritage and offered you a glimpse of magical Kenya. Just to tell you, Your Excellency, apart from what you see, Kenya is very well known for the wildebeest migration, which is almost the 8th wonder of the world. And we have actually a multiple migration of wildebeest in Masai Mara and whales in Kilifi in the Indian Ocean. There is normally a migration there as well. You will be pleased to know that we have the only baboon parliament in Kenya. There is a parliament where baboons meet to deliberate on baboon issues. If you had enough time, we would take you for you to witness. In this same country, Your Excellency, if you go to a place called Tana River, you will witness elephants that actually they bath, they go to clean themselves in the ocean. And if you travel south a bit to Lamu, you will find lions that do fishing. This is all in one country. And of course, as Alfred has said, this is the country of one Eliud Kipchoge, he of the no human is unlimited phenomenon. So I think I have persuaded you to come back because you haven't seen anything yet. I am happy that you will find time later and maybe tomorrow to visit Olkaria, the largest geothermal facility in Africa. And it is courtesy of German technology and German friendship. 6 decades afterwards, Kenya has steadily matured into a stable, competitive, democratic, regional and continental gateway and a hub for diplomatic, humanitarian and commercial undertakings, and a recognized leader in science and education, technology and innovation, peace and security. Kenya's journey of growth and many successes along its path bear many imprints of strong partnership between Kenya and Germany. I review our country's beautiful history of friendship based on shared values, partnership in pursuit of common interests, and collaboration for mutual benefit, with profound satisfaction and joyful approval. I also consider the prospects ahead and our path into the future with optimism, acknowledging the daunting course in the midst of multiple, complex, and constantly mutating challenges, but with the confidence that our strengths, our values, commitment, and partnership will be sufficient to keep us safe and make us prosperous. We are called upon to deliver shared prosperity, peace, and democracy in a world where war, conflict, a climate catastrophe, and disease outbreaks constantly threaten to disseminate humanity, deepen poverty, worsen suffering, and widen inequality. But we can and must collaborate to achieve a just transition to clean and green industrialization, decarbonize manufacturing, and achieve prosperity through ecologically responsible means. There is an opportunity for us to forge partnerships in developing transformative human, technological, and industrial capacities through education and training, science and technology, research, and innovation. We have a chance to make our regions and the whole world safer, more peaceful, and more secure. Now more than ever, our shared future depends on how we align our undertakings and pursue our aspirations in trade, in energy, environment, and climate action, infrastructure development, education and training, agriculture, peace and security, technology and innovation. This is why I celebrate our friendship, Mr. Chancellor, because I see in it the power to overcome the multiple, complicated, and ever-changing crises and challenges that confront us at many levels, including the ultimate existential threat of climate change. We are pleased and we are blessed with 60 years of a joint track record of successful collaboration across many domains, which make this moment, this visit at this time, very special. It is time to enlist all our capacities and all our agencies in every sector to consolidate our endowments and anchor them within a strategic partnership framework so that we can address the present effectively and face the future with confidence. Ladies and gentlemen, I know it is after lunch. It's not a place to make speeches. I now invite everyone present to raise their glass and join me in a toast to the good health and long life of His Excellency Chancellor Olaf Scholz and to the prosperity of the people of the Federal Republic of Germany, as well as the people of the Republic of Kenya, and the everlasting friendship between our two nations. Cheers.